All right, in this segment we're going to change the oil on the Gixxer. I got the full exhaust taken off. Now normally when the factory exhaust is on there and you're just going to do a regular oil change, the pipe would be running through here and the oil actually kind of gets onto the pipe. So this is going to be a real easy thing. All you do is you grab a 17 millimeter and you're going to go right here. Now this is the oil drain plug. When you pop this off, make sure you have your oil, where you're going to drain your oil into, kind of offset this way because the pressure of the engine is going to push it out and it's going to kind of spit out a little bit. So you want to have it right around there. And when you loosen it, do it by hand. And right when you get to the end, just kind of keep it in there with your thumb, and then just bam. Now the oil's draining. That'll take a little while. You want it to drain out pretty good. Right next to this, if you move up a ways, here's the oil filter. It's kind of right up here tucked into the header. Now, this is the actual hard part. There's an actual tool that's made for it. So just going to take your drain plug, clean it off real good, make sure doesn't have anything on it. Go ahead and wipe the excess oil from here and go ahead and put it right back in. Once you get it in, take your wrench. When you get to the end, just give it a nice little torque. Nothing real crazy, nothing real tight. And then go ahead and wipe it off one more time, make sure it's all clean. And we're going to come back and check this later to make sure there's no leaks. After you do that, this is the new oil filter right here. You can get it at any motorcycle shop. All you have to do is give them the make and model of your bike, and they're going to give it to you right on spot. This one's the Suzuki. And this is the Suzuki tool to take the oil filters out. Now, before the 06s came out back in the day, you can almost get in there with your hand and just loosen this filter. But now they torque everything on so tight, they made a key for it. So this fits right on there, and you can actually take socket wrench and it'll fit right into it. So now I can take this, put it right onto here, and we're going to go ahead and loosen it up. Now there's going to be oil in here too. This one's the messy part, so get this lined up and we'll go ahead and just crack it loose. You got to have this tool because normally there's a header right here and it's real hard to do. So now we got it loosened up.